Hello, my dear friends. Tonight we experienced an earthquake. So here's the piece called Earthquake and Consequences. Minor earthquake, major consequences. I have lost before, lost strong drive. In the line of current live events, I'm hoping to survive. Sleepy early morning, I wake up. My list is still full of deeds. I'm still going to the top to fulfill my major needs. I hope for it not to be erased after closest aftershock. Chain of bad events got me amazed. Yet I'm on this planet stuck. Thank you. I just want to know, how many bad events do we need? Riots, earthquakes, this crazy pandemic. Can anybody answer when it stops? I'm lost. I'm out of it.